Hello, my name is Recky. Welcome back to another military reaction. Oh man, I love doing this. This one is a bit different. Talking about guard dogs, but robotic guard dogs. I think somewhere along the line up to now, my memory says that we have been watching some kind of video regarding robotic guard dogs. And this is from the channel US Military Channel. And the video we're going to watch is Robodogs deployed as guard dog at a US military base. And I am so freaking hyped about this. It's just giving me, I'm sitting on edge here because I really want to watch the video. What guard dogs? How gonna look? What will be their task? What can they do? Will they bite? Will they shoot? Will they bomb? What will they do? If you want to check out the Jewish military channel or the video we're gonna watch, the link for both is available in the description. Go there and give them the support that they so much deserve. If you do enjoy this, smack the like so I know you do enjoy this, and hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel if you haven't clicked that yet. Why, dude? We say thank you so much to the channel members of the Patreon. Thank you so much for the amazing support. A big shout out to the Supreme Tier donators over by Patreon and channel membership. Thank you, thank you, thank you. The personal shout outs of the ultimate supporters is Deja, Walt, Rooney, Dwayne, Tammy, Kevin, Dana, and Troy. And that list is getting long, and I am blown away. Thank you so much. I can see a kitty right next to me. Now, what's going to happen? What is this? What is this?
Like if you just want to focus on this today, then give me a call. If you can sit down later, that's fine. We'll also be here next 2 days.
Is it happy? That sound would freak me the hell out if I come walking in the desert somewhere. I can't see nothing. It's super dark and I hear that sound. Well, I'll be running. I don't want to be... I don't think there's any weapons on it. Look at that, boy. How fast can it run, though? Oh, that's pretty fast. This is the Holloman Air Force Base 49th Security Forces Squadron. Who's making that sound, though? Oh, windy, windy, windy. That looks amazing. Look at the dog, dude. Yeah. Cape Cod Space Force Station, 6th Space and Warning Squadron, Security Forces. They have their own super dog. Oh. That looked like... So now my mind is just going everywhere now. This dude is probably the one that steers the dog. So it's not like running by itself like a complete freaking AI. I'm kind of happy with that, because if there was like 900% only pure AI, that would kind of freak me out though. And he's controlling that. The purpose of the dog is not to be in attack mode. Maybe has a better vision around surroundings. Maybe have some kind of a radar on it. I have no clue. I don't seem to have a lot of information from this video. We still got a couple more minutes. We'll find out. Freaking dogs, dude. Oh my god.
Go get it. Go out there, you. Where is Father?
Friends, do a little tricks action for you guys. If anyone wants to do a push and dodge, more than welcome. Do whatever the little one's order. You have the dog get up right. It's called the self-right.
This is exactly what Recky does when he is on the ground. That's freaking me out though.
No, I'm good. No.
Okay, so we got another spot here. That is Tyndall. Am I pronouncing that correctly? Tyndall Air Force Base, 325th Security Forces Squadron. Another dog. And this is amazing. Did you know about this? Let me know in the comment section if you heard about this. Did you know about this? Oh, we got a black one here. The other one, the first one was greenish. The other one was white. Here we go with another one. Oh, they're creating them by themselves. Oh, they got two. Will you park the car, dude? Here we go. Okay, okay.
Can you repeat the possible location? Also read it with to make contact.
Yeah, go move down that corner. Then two blocks are long. I still want to jump the road. That's fine. I'm gonna keep it right here. Right here?
Can you move them around again? You're good.
She said him. Can you move him around? I am blown away by
Come
this.
around.
Hey, you know what? Whenever y'all like, if you just want to go on it and then he'll do his afterwards, that just makes sense. Because that was a lot.
I'm completely blown away by this. Completely blown away by this. I got new one over here. This is Portland Air National Guard Base, 142nd Security Forces Squadron. Look at that. What up, little dude? Something banging. Looks amazing. I gotta tell you, this is the future right now. I know he's steering it. Without a doubt, he's steering it. Wow, I want to try this so bad, dude. Oh my days. Seems happy now, the dog. Did he get scared the first time he actually did that? I gotta go back because he looked like he was freaking out the first time he did that. Like he got scared of it. Like, oh my god, it feels alive. It's moving. Maybe not. Maybe I was the only one who gets scared by a robot dog. I don't know. I really am enjoying this. But the only purpose I see them have, and that is like detect. That's the only thing I can see. It's the purpose of the dog is detect, and of course, use its guard dog. They can't attack. They can't do anything. If you kick it over, it's gonna take it about a couple of minutes to get back up. But I'm really loving this. I cannot wait. I'm seeing myself. Okay, what can they do with guard dogs? Can they have like maybe a mounted gun with a 360 degrees vision? The future. Holy crap, that's kind of mind blowing. If you did enjoy this, if you want to dig deeper in the dogs and the in the service, well, robot dogs, that is. Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to smack the like if you did enjoy this, so I know that you do actually enjoy this. I wouldn't know either way. So, smack it. I'm going to wrap it up. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Recky. You stay safe.